Good morning. So we are doing linear equations two variables. In the last class I explained the concept of the linear equation two variables. The general form of linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c equal 0, where a is not equal to 0, b equal to 0. What is the general form of linear equation two variables? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b, a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation two variables. And we verify to check the following points are solution or not. So solution or not, that also we have checked in the last class. Exercise 6.1 we did. Exercise 6.1 did and 6.2 also already we have started. Exercise 6.2. One problem we did three different solutions for the given linear equations. Exercise 6.2 are doing. Exercise 6.2 we completed first problem. Find three different solutions for each of the following equations. The last class I explained, and we will go for second problem now. We will go for exercise 6.2 second problem. If 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions, of the following linear equations. Find a and b. Okay. 0a and b comma 0 are the solutions. 0a is the solution. 0a solution is x is equal to 0, y is equal to a, substitute in the given equation. You will get a value. B comma 0 is the solution means in the given equation substitute x plus b right down, in y plus right 0. You will get the b value. What are the linear equations which satisfy? These are the solutions of first equation is what? 8x minus y. 8x minus y is equal to 34. 34. Okay. This is the solution of this 0 comma a. If 0 comma a is a solution of given linear equation. What is the given linear equation? 8x minus y. 8x minus y is equal to 34. In this substitute, it is a solution. So substitute this. In the given linear equation, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. 8 into x how much? 0. Y how much? A is equal to 34. 8 into 0, 0 minus a is equal to 34. Minus a is equal to 34. A is equal to minus 34. We got a value. Okay. 0 comma a is the solution of this linear equation. 0 comma a solution means it should satisfy this. Substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to a in this. We got a value. Similarly, b comma 0. If b comma 0 is a solution of given LE. LE means linear equation. What is given LE? Given linear equation is 8x minus y is equal to 34. Now x means b. First value is x, second value is y. X is equal to b. Substitute. Y equal to 0 is equal to 34. 8b is equal to 34. B is equal to 34 by 8. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 17. So b value how much? 17 by 4. Like this we will calculate. So rest of these 0a and b 0 are the solutions of first linear equation. Now second linear equation. Do it. Second is what? 3x minus 7y equals 21. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, get a. Put x is equal to b and y is equal to 0, get b value. Like that you do second bit and third bit with this. Okay. Whatever problems I am skipping, you do it. Skipped problems do for homework. Homework means you do in the classwork itself. Whatever notebook you kept in that notebook, you do it. Okay. What is the second problem? Second second bit, third bit you do it. Okay. Next, now I go for third problem. Each bit I explain. Some few bits I skip it. Whatever problems I am skipping, you do for homework. Now, third problem. I hope you clearly understood, children. Third. Third problem. Check which of the following is a solution of the equation. Which of the following is a solution of the equation? 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Check it. First, is 0 2 is the solution or not? Check it. Whether 0 2 is the solution of given equation or not. When substitute 0 2 in this, you should get answer how much? 10. Then it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Check it. So this is x, this is y. 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Substitute in this. 2 into x is what? 0. Y means 2. 2 into 0, 0. 5 to the 10 is equal to 10. Minus 10 is equal to 10. Is LHS equal to RHS? So after substituting 0 2 is the solution means you 0 2 will keep in this given equation. Substitute in the given equation. X plus 0, y plus 2. 2 into 0 minus 5 into y means 2 is equal to 10. 2 into 0, 0 minus 5 to the 10 is equal to 10. Minus 10 is equal to 10. Is minus 10 equal to 10? Both equal? It is negative, it is positive. It is not equal. Not equal. If both sides same, LHS and RHS same values. RHS what is here? 10. LHS also you must get 10 only. But what you got here? Minus 10. So they are not equal. Therefore, it is not solution. 0 2 is not a solution of given linear equation. Similarly, you check second 5 0 0 minus 2. Second bit 0 minus 2 is a solution. So this is what? X, this is y. Substitute 2x minus 5y equal to 10. 2 into x minus 0. Y how much? Minus 2. 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 minus plus 5 to the 10 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. Both sides same. Plus 10 plus 10. LHS 10, RHS also 10. Yes, it is a solution. Therefore, 0 minus 2 is a solution of given linear equation. Given. So, we check the third bit and fourth bit. Third question, use yes, I am skipping these three problems. Third bit, fourth bit. Third to 5, fifth bit. You do it. Do for homework. Okay. Now I hope we clearly understood. Now fourth problem, I go for fourth problem. Fourth problem, let's get. Okay. Fourth. Fourth, the most important problem fourth. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x is equal to y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Find two more solutions of the resultant equation. So that find the value of k if x is equal to and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this given. What is the given linear equation? Given LE. LE means linear equation. Given linear equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. If x is equal to and y is equal to 1 is the solution. If x is equal to and y is equal to 1 is a solution of given linear equation. Substitute in this 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to k. 2 into x. X how much? 2 plus 3 into y value 1 is equal to k. 2 to the 4, 3 1 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 4 plus 3 7. K value 7. We did k value. We got the k value. Now, resultant equation right now. What is the resultant equation? What is the linear equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Replace with k value. K replaced by 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. For this solutions find out. Solutions. How many? Find 2 more solutions. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to y is equal to 1 is the solution. Like that you find out 2 more solutions. How to find the solutions? You convert into y form. Y is equal to 3y is equal to 3y is equal to plus 2x carry minus 2x. That's it. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x by. Now take x values, you will get the y values. Here I am doing. If I take x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 minus 2x by 3. Substitute in this 7 minus 2 into x value 1 by 3. 2 1 2 by 3. 7 minus 2 5 by 3. So if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 by 3. So 1 comma 5 by 3. 1 comma 5 by 3 is a solution. Next, two more solutions. One solution over 1 comma 5 by 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 by 3. X 1, y 5 by 3. If x is equal to substitute in this. Here I do it. Next, if x is equal to y is equal to, what is the equation? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x by 7 minus 2 into x value 2 by 3. 7 2 to the 4 by 3. 7 minus 4 3 by 3. So if x is equal to y is equal to how much? 1. So x is equal to 2 comma y how much? 1. 2 1 is the solution. 2 1 is a solution. We got more 2 solutions. I hope you clearly understood. Okay. Given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. If x is equal to y is equal to 1 is the solution. Substitute in this. We got the k value. The resultant equation is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. K value how much? 7. For this newly formed equation, for resultant equation also find out the solutions. To find the solutions, the equation should be written in the form of y is equal. Means left side only should try to keep only y. So 3y value. 3y is equal to 7 plus 2x right side minus 2x. 3y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x by 3. Substitute x values. You take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Substitute it. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Substitute it. We got the y value 5 by 3. So 1 comma 5 by 3. X is equal to 2. Substitute. 7 minus 2 into x 2 by 3. 7 minus 2 to the 4. 7 minus 4 3 by 3 1. So when x is equal to y is equal to 1. Therefore 2 comma 1 is the solutions. He has to write the more 2 solutions. We found the k value and we have written 2 more solutions also. Like this we can find out. Now I go for next problem also. Fifth problem. 4 problems, 6.2 exercise, 4 problems I explained. I go for now 5th problem. Remaining problems we do it. Okay, let me complete the 5th problem also, children. So 5th problem. Fifth problem, children. If x is equal to 2 minus alpha, if x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution. Is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha. Find the value of alpha. Find 3 more solutions. 3 more solutions of the resultant equation. Children, what is the solution? X is equal to 2 minus alpha, y is equal to 2 plus alpha is the solution of given equation. What is the given equation? Given linear equation is 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Given linear equation, I do from here. Given linear equation is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution of given LE. What is the solution of given LE? X is equal to 2 minus alpha, y is equal to 2 plus. In this substitute it. 3 into x. X is equal to what? 2 minus alpha minus 2 into y is equal to what? 2 plus alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. 3 to the 6. 3 alpha minus 2 into 2 4 minus 2 plus minus 2 alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha minus 5 alpha plus 6 plus 6 12 minus 4 minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha minus 5 alpha 6 plus 6 12 minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 5 alpha 12 minus 4 8 equal to 0. Now minus 5 alpha plus 8 shift right side minus 8 minus minus get cancelled. Alpha is equal to 8 by we got alpha value. We got the alpha. For this, find out more 3 solutions. Find 3 more solutions for the resultant. Resultant equation right now. X is equal to 2 minus alpha, y is equal to 2 plus alpha. Solution of this, find the value of alpha, find the 3 more solutions of the resultant equation. Resultant equation. This resultant equation is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. For this, 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. So, 3x plus 6 minus 2y send right side. plus 2y. 3x plus 6 is equal to y find out by 2 it is. So put x is equal to 1 here. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 3x plus 6 by 2. Substitute in this. 1 plus 6 by 2. 3 1 is 3 plus 6 by 2. 9 by 2. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 9 by 2. 1 9 by 2 is the solution. Is a solution. If x is equal to y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 6 by 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 6 by 2. 12 by 2 that is equal to 6. When x is 2, y is 6. 2 6 is a solution. Is a solution. We did two solutions. Third solution. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to what? 3x plus 6 by 2. 3 into x is 3 plus 6 by 2. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 by 2. 15 by 2. So 3 comma 15 by 2 is a solution. So we did more 3 solutions. Okay. X is equal to 1. So when you want to find out the more solutions, you give an equation right in the form of y is equal to 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. We want y is equal to minus 2y is set right side plus 2y. 3x plus 6 equal to 2y. That is 2y is equal to 3x plus 6, y is equal to 3x plus by 2. So x is equal to 1 we did. X is equal to we got. X is equal to 3 we got. More solutions we did. Like this you can solve. So in the same manner you complete 6th complement 7th problem. 6th and 7th also we do it. Second bit, second question, second bit and third bit. In third to 5th bits you do it. Next problems what 6 and 7 also you complete. In the next class I hope you clearly understood. In the next class we start 6.3 how to draw the linear equation. How to draw the linear equation. Okay, by graph. So in the next class we will come to know. So I hope you clearly understood and also you enjoyed this class very much I hope. Okay, thank you.